Oracle NoSQL Database Cloud Service is a fully managed database cloud service designed to deliver fast and consistent query latencies. As a developer, you can develop Oracle NoSQL database applications using the VS Code IDE by installing the Oracle NoSQL Database plugin. This plugin allows you to connect to the NoSQL database directly from the VS Code environment. In this video, you will connect to an Oracle NoSQL database connection. You can get started quickly by installing the plugin. Make sure you have downloaded Microsoft Visual Studio Code IDE. To install the Oracle NoSQL Database Visual Studio plugin, open your IDE and click the Extensions option on the left panel. In the search bar, search for Oracle NoSQL Database plugin and click the corresponding option. From the Extensions page, click Install. After the installation completes, you will see an Oracle NoSQL DB option on the left panel. You must now generate and upload an API signing key. Open a terminal and create the .oci directory in your home directory. You store the credentials in this directory. Use an OpenSSL command to generate a private key with a passphrase. Change the permission of the key that was generated. The next step is to generate a public key for the private key that was generated. When your application makes API requests, it will be signed with your private key, and Oracle will use the public key to verify the authenticity of the request. Next, you get the tenancy OCID from the OCI console. From the profile menu on the top right, select Tenancy. From the Tenancy Details page, copy the OCID using the Copy button and save it in the notepad or an editor to be used later. Next, get the user's OCID. Open the Profile menu on the top right, select User Settings. The user OCID is under User Information. Copy the OCID using the Copy button and save this in Notepad or an editor to be used later. You now have to upload the public key generated in the OCI console. Open the OCI console, open the Profile menu and select User Settings. Select Token and Key menu and then select Add API Key and select Choose Public Key File option and browse to the location where public key file is stored. Select Add. Note down the fingerprints shown on the screen. Now, to connect NDCS from the VS Code plugin, open your IDE, click the Oracle NoSQL DB option, then click the Show Connection Settings icon in the Table Explorer to open the connection setting panel. Here, select the Cloud option. To add a new connection, click the Add New Connection button. For the connection name parameter, enter a name of your choice. For region or endpoint parameter, enter the region identifier or service endpoint to access the Oracle NDCS. You now have two options to connect. You can either provide a config file with the connection information or use the advanced option to fill in the connection information in the specific fields. This video shows the advanced option. For tenant OCID parameter, enter the tenancy OCID you noted earlier. For user OCID parameter, enter the user's OCID. For fingerprint parameter, enter the fingerprint for the private key that was added to this user. For private key file parameter, browse to the location where private key is stored. For passphrase parameter, enter the passphrase you specified when creating the private key. For the compartment parameter, enter the name or OCID of the compartment for your Oracle NoSQL Database Cloud Service table and click Add. You are now connected to an Oracle NoSQL Database Cloud Service and all the tables in the schema are listed in the Table Explorer. Browse, create new tables and perform different operations.